Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rose. Today, let's talk about vowels and its sound. What are the vowels? In English, there are 5 vowels. These are the A, E, I, O, U. Now let's learn their sounds. A is A. Next is E. Next is E. Let's go to O. Now let's go to Now let's hear them in words. A is for apple. Ant. Let's hear them sound in the middle of the word. A is for cat, man, bat. That's it. Now let's go to another vowel. E is for egg. Eight. How about using it in the middle of the word? Pet. Pen. Hen. Now let's move on to another vowel, which is E. E is for ink. Eagle. Let's see how it sounds in the middle of the word. Kid. Big. Lip. That's it. Now let's move on to another vowel. O. O is for off. Oval. Octopus. Let's see how it sounds in the middle of the word. O is for box. Dog. Robot. Now let's move on to the last vowel, which is is for up. Umbrella. Now let's see how it sounds in the middle. Bug. Cucumber. That's vowel O. And now, before we end, can we say it again, the sound of this vowel? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Fantastic! And that's the end of our lesson today about vowel sounds. These are the sounds that make words sound amazing. I hope you learned a lot. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.